Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about the hexadecimal to binary encoder. Let's start the discussion. So our heading is hexadecimal to binary encoder. So to design the encoder hexadecimal to binary, you have hexadecimal numbers at input side and binary numbers at output side. Hexadecimal numbers are 0 to 15 and binary numbers you have to represent. For each hexadecimal number, 4-bit binary number you have to represent. So we will draw here the truth table. So at the input side you have hexadecimal number and at the output side you have binary numbers. So we have hexadecimal number at the input side and 4-bit binary numbers at the output side. So 0 to 15 are the hexadecimal numbers. In that we will write one by one. So we will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For 10 we write A. For 11 we write B. For 12 we write C. For 13 we write D. For 14 we write E. And for 15 we write F. So you have to mention the letters only A, B, C, D, E and F. So this is the assume part. Now you have to represent the binary number for the respective hexadecimal number. And it is of 4 bits. So 0 can be represented as 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. After that you have 0, 0, 1, 1. Then you have 0, 1, 0, 0 for 4. For 5 you can write here 0, 1, 0, 1. Then for 6 you can write here 0, 1, 1, 0. Then for 7 0, 1, 1, 1. For 8 you can write 1, 0, 0, 0. 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. For 10 you can write here 1, 0, 1, 0. For 11 1, 0, 1, 1. For 12 1, 1, 0, 0. For 13 1, 1, 0, 1. For 14 you can write here 1, 1, 1, 0. And for 15 you can write here 1, 1, 1, 1. And alphabets to be written for hexadecimal numbers, not the 10 to 15. Now we will draw the block diagram of encoder. Now this block diagram shows that at the input side it has hexadecimal numbers and at the output side it has binary numbers. These are all the binary numbers. So the next part is of writing the expressions according to the truth table. So we will focus on writing the expression for B3. So B3 equals to what? B3 equals to focus on 1 for respective hexadecimal number. So for hexadecimal number 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, we are getting 1. So we have to add all these hexadecimal numbers. So we will write here 8 plus 9 plus A plus B, C, D, E and F. After that for B2 we will write here 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 because 1, 1, 1 is there. After that C plus D plus E and plus F. Then we have B1 equals to what? 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus A plus B and plus E plus F. And for B0, what we will write here? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, then plus 9. After that, what we have? After 9, we have B plus D, B plus D and plus final F. In this way, you have to write down the expressions for each binary number. That is, each binary bit B0, B1, B2 and B3. After getting these expressions, next part is to design the encoder for hexadecimal to binary conversions. So we will draw the diagram now. So now we have all the 4 expressions with us. Now we are going to design the diagram. So realization we can do here as we have to show the 16 input lines starts from 0 up to F, 1, then 2, then we have 3, this line shows 4, this is the line for 5, this is for 6, for 7, 8, 9, here it is starts with your A, then B, C, D, E and lastly you have to take F. So this is the input part, hexadecimal numbers. Now at the output side you can draw here the OR gate. This is for your B3. This OR gate is for your B2. This OR gate is for B1 and this is the OR gate which is used for B0. So what you can see here, 8 plus 9 plus A plus B plus C plus D plus E and F. So in this way also you can draw. Just draw one line and make a connections like star, means all these terms are connected to the OR gate. We have to take OR connections of all these numbers, hexadecimal numbers. After that, for B2 part, what we can do here, 4 plus 5. So we will start with 4 plus 5. So 4, 5 we require. After that, 6, 7. Then we require here C, D, E and F. In this way you have to make connections for B2. Then we have B1. So for B1 we will start with this 2. We will draw this straight line. Now we have to focus on the terms present in B1. So we have 2, 3, then 6, 7. After that we have A, B and lastly we have E and F. You have to make a crossover all the respective hexadecimal numbers. So this is for B1. For B0, what you can do, you have to focus on the expression of B0. You have to start with the 1. So we will draw here from 1 this straight line. After that, what we have to do, we have to mark here 1, 3, then we have 5, 7, then we can mark for 9. After that we have B, then D and F. In this way you have to make the connections for B0, B1, B2 and B3. This is the conversion of octal number to the binary number using the concept of encoder. So this is all about the octal to binary encoder. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.